Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a Supercell ID. So to create a Supercell ID, you cannot use a browser. You'll have to open a Supercell game like Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Brawl Stars. So you'll have to download and install it on your mobile device, or you can use an emulator. And then you'll have to find the setting of Supercell ID, connecting Supercell ID, and then you'll have to connect it through there. So let me show you. I have an emulator here and Brawl Star installed. So from the home page, you'll have to press on this three dot button and then you'll go to settings. So at the below you'll see this Supercell ID. I've already connected. That means I have a ID, Supercell ID, and it is connected. So first of all I'll have to disconnect. So after pressing on it, as you will see, my Supercell ID is here. So I'll have to go to and press this cog button at the top, and then we'll have to press on logout. So press on logout and then press logout again, so it will log you out, and then you will have to press, as you will see, there are two buttons, login and play without Supercell ID. So press login, and then from here you can press login to Supercell ID. So after that you'll have to press continue. So after pressing continue, you'll have to write your email that you want to create your Supercell ID on. So simply write your email and then press login, and then code will be sent to your email, and then you can verify it and then confirm, and your Supercell ID will be created like that. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.